Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're putting your agonizing job hunt on complete autopilot.
Seriously, are you totally exhausted by endless doom scrolling and firing manual applications into the void?
Well, it's time to ditch that soul-crushing manual grind for complete, seamless automation.
LinkEasy acts like your personal scout, automatically scanning your feed hourly for specific developer roles.
Then, the AI engine assigns a precise match score, instantly weeding out the noise.
Plus, you'll know exactly why it matched with your exact required skills highlighted instantly. Here's the magic workflow, transitioning seamlessly from LinkEasy's discovery straight into Job Easy.
Job Easy takes over with a lightning-fast application philosophy. Just choose, address, and send.
Skip typing from scratch. Curated smart templates dynamically highlight relevant skills, like FastAPI.
Behind the scenes, a one-click merge instantly pairs your tailored pitch with your master CV.
The craziest part? Beta users actually saw their interview reply rates double, 2 times.
Automate your search at Job Easy online. So what do you do with all that saved time?